Estate planning legal guidance online pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think estate planning is only for the wealthy or requires expensive lawyers. The surprising truth is that online platforms now make legal guidance accessible, affordable, and efficient for everyone. Free platforms allow you to create basic wills and assign beneficiaries. They often include templates for powers of attorney and healthcare directives but may lack in-depth legal advice or compliance checks for complex estates. Hate Platforms provide step-by-step guidance for wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and guardianship. Many include access to licensed attorneys for questions or review, ensuring documents meet state-specific legal requirements. Some even offer tools to integrate multiple estate documents, providing a comprehensive planning solution. Subscription services per month offer ongoing updates, reminders, and legal alerts. They ensure your estate plan stays valid as laws or personal circumstances change, preventing outdated documents from causing complications. Most people get this wrong by assuming a one-time document is enough. Online legal guidance platforms combine convenience, cost savings, and peace of mind, allowing you to plan thoroughly without the high fees of traditional estate attorneys. In conclusion, online estate planning platforms, free, paid, or subscription-based, offer varying levels of guidance. By choosing the right solution, you protect your family, ensure your wishes are clear, and save both time and money while navigating complex legal requirements.